here we are in the backyard, standing on the new deck that they built. As you can see, there's the backyard. Pretty nice patio out here, some chairs. Nice, it wraps all the way around. Just a few finishing touches to go. Get the border line. As you can hear, there's a cicada, or as they say here, semi. It's an insect, big insect. It's making that sound that you can probably hear. And we're gonna go find it. Sounds like it's coming from over here. Let's go find the semi. There it is. Yeah. That's a bug making all that noise. There it goes. This insect lives in the ground for 7 years as a larva. Then it emerges and becomes that thing and mates within a week, and then it dies. You can hear another one calling from off in the distance. And this one will probably start up again in a couple seconds. Oh, a little bit of movement there. Look how big these things are. The birds like to eat them.